Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video we're going to be looking at some of the trades I took today, and some of them are still running in deep profit. All right, okay, first of all we have this particular pair here. This is Volatility 100 index, and as you can see, we are expecting some buy on this pair. We are expecting a massive buy on this particular pair because of the fact that we had this trend right here. The market had been selling, then finally there was a breakout, a change of character. You can even see the change of character right here. At this point when it happened, the market pulled back correctively, and then there's a retest here. Then we are seeing the chance the market to buy massively. All right, so this, if we go down to the 4 hourly time frame, you will see it more clearer. Like here you can see what we have here. All right, so you can see the market after it bought up to this level. You see the way it's selling. See the way it's selling, creating lower highs and lower lows. If you understand my continuation strategy, you will see there's a very high chance the market will be buying and breaking above this, breaking through this channel, descending channel. Then it will continue the buy till we have what we saw on the daily time frame. All right, so that's it. And also I took some sell. Okay, I took a buy the first time with this pay. I think it was from here. Then I closed that. This is another buy I took again. The market is currently running in some deep profit, mind you. You know, VIX 100 index is actually a volatile pair, so there's a very big chance that if you find a good entry and you open multiple positions, you can make so much profit from this pair, all right, within a short time. So if you check the 1 hourly time frame, you see the market has actually traveled a reasonably long distance. And if you check with the minimum lot size of 0.5, what I have is about $14 per position, and I have about 20 positions, sorry, about 10 positions open for this particular pair. So literally I'm in a profit of about $140, all right, only for this particular pair. All right, so there's another pair I still have a trade running, and that is crash 1000 index. All right, I bought crash 1000 index. All right, so this morning while I was still going to the chart, and I actually discussed with my students the ones in the May mentorship batch. Then the market was somewhere actually here, because I used to tell you guys about breakout and retest, that people believe breakout and retest does not work just because they don't know how to identify when the market has successfully broken out of a trend, or sorry, maybe a zone. If you do not know, that's when you will feel, because you always be falling victims. You see all these weeks we have right here. If you go to the 1 hourly time frame, from the 1 hourly time frame, now you'll be seeing full candlesticks, and that will make you believe the market had fully broken out of this zone. You understand? But on the 4 hourly time frame, there was no breakout. In fact, on the one hourly time frame, you will see a proper breakout and retest, even on the 15 minutes time frame. So using that kind of a time frame, especially when you have a consolidation like this, will make you possibly enter a buy when you see the retest there. Then immediately you enter the buy, you see the market spikes down, and you are in deep losses. All right, so if you check the 1 hourly time frame, you can see what I'm just telling you. You see there was a buy on this pair. A moment, there was a buy. I'm trying to adjust this so that I can zoom in, then I will show you guys these things. Okay, all right, so you can see market closed above this zone. Then we had all these one candlesticks. If you go to the 15 minutes time frame, you see it as a retest. You can feel this is a retest on the 1 hourly time frame, because this candlestick did not close below the zone. It just closed within the zone. So you might think, okay, I can start buying, and definitely you make some profit from here. But see, on getting to this level, it spiked down again, and since then it got back to this zone, the major zone down here. All right, so on getting to this zone down here, then this time around on the 4 hourly time frame, I noticed the engulfing candlestick setup. Those of my students who understand the engulfing candlestick strategy will understand why I actually bought the I bought from where I took my buys. All right, you see we had the engulfing candlestick right here. Then the market started buying massively. All right, so this trade has been on since morning, and I'm still in some deep profit because it sold back to this zone, then it continued. All right, so it's still here. Maybe I might just, after this video, I might decide to close the trade, but currently in about $20 profit per position because I'm using a lot size of 1.0, and I have about 10 to 12 pairs there. So about $20 per profit, profit per position. All right. So you can see if you go down to a lower time frame, you will see that the market had really gone a reasonable long distance. All right. You can see it. This is massive, guys. You need this knowledge to succeed, guys. All right. So as it is, all you need to do is just to get this correct knowledge. For those of you who believe you need a simple system to always trade, guys, you need to contact me now, and we look out for a way to help you. All right, a way to help you understand trading, because I see so many persons are losing money on a regular basis. People are losing money trying to figure out this thing, how it works. So there is a link in the description. Click on that link. It takes you to my Telegram channel. From there you can reach out to me. Then we negotiate your private mentorship, especially the private mentorship, because for now I do not have the group mentorship is already ongoing, so you can't join again till next month. All right. So but for a private mentorship, you can still reach out to me. All right, to help you. It will go a long way to help you with your trading career. Now look at this one right here. This is another pair right here. You can see the market sold, it was buying, then at some point started creating lower highs and lower lows. Then I entered the buy at this point from what I saw on a higher time frame. Like I think I saw it on the let's see, let me check the 4 hourly time frame. Okay, yes, the 4 hourly time frame. I noticed there was a breakout. The market came back to this zone, but the candlestick on getting to the zone did not close below the zone. So I decided to enter the trade. It's one of those things, guys. Breakout and retest works. Breakout and retest really works, unless you do not know what you're doing. As long as you know what you're doing, guys, you will always be profitable. When I say you will always be profitable, I do not mean you always be winning all your trades, but you'll be taking most of the trades you'll be taking will be profitable. You understand? You encounter small losses, but your profit will be big. So many times you'll be winning. So you need a very simple system. Just try to practice these things I'm telling you. A market gets to a zone, it breaks out of that zone, does a proper retest based on the time frame. All these things, in fact, let me tell you guys one thing you need to understand. Breakout and retest only works based on the time frames. It doesn't just work. You can't just see a 4 hourly time frame consolidation or zone, then you expect a 15-minute candlestick breakout to be called a proper breakout. That cannot happen, because if you see a candlestick on the 15 minutes time frame closing below that 4 hourly time frame zone, then you feel there's a breakout, maybe it comes back to retest, and you feel there's a retest, it is going to be a trap. At the end, you're going to be seeing a fake out. That's how fake outs are formed. You understand me? So it is only when you understand these things that you will help yourself to avoid unnecessary losses. All right, so just try and practice the things I've told you. Keep on practicing, you'll succeed. Then if you think you would want to easily understand it better, then the private mentorship is strongly recommended. All right, so like this video, share your thoughts in the comment section, guys. All right, then also subscribe to this channel if you've not done that yet. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Peace out.